in one of Chatham's most prestigious neighborhoods, Rolling Hills, this is a place you'll be proud to call home. My name is Michelle Pais.
And I'm Chad Curry, and welcome to our newest listing on Rolling Hill Drive. Join us as we take you on a tour through this stunning new construction home. This home offers over 7,500 square foot of pure luxury, with 6 beds and 7 baths across 3 finished floors.
Entertain in this fabulous chef's kitchen loaded with all the bells and whistles. Warm wood floors lead you from one spacious room to the next, while massive window space flood the home with natural light. On the second floor are 5 bedrooms. Among them is the king-size master bedroom suite, featuring his and her walk-in closet, a spa-like bath, and your own private walkout balcony.
With this expansive backyard and almost 3/4 of an acre of property, this is one of the most desirable lots in the Rolling Hills section of Chatham.
With top-rated schools and a direct train to New York City, now is your chance to be a part of this upscale community.
Contact us today for your own private tour.